Everyone, this is 24-inch Asus monitor. The model on this one is VE248 LCD monitor. And this video I'm going to show you how to remove the stand on this one. So first thing you need to do is remove all the cables that you attach to it. So this one has like VGA, HDMI and audio, so remove all that power supply. So pretty easy. Just two screws over here. Just get a screwdriver, get a pillow screw, and just screw those out. So just get a pillow screwdriver, and it's biting already. Slide it up, and that's it. Okay, just slide it up. And if you want to keep the screw there, put the tape here. That way you don't lose those screws. Okay, so just slide it up. And this is ready for wall mount. Just if you want to mount it now, you just remove the little rubbers over here. What you should do is just put it here just in case you need them in the future. Hide it in there before you put the tape in there. One in there. Stubborn. Alright. Alright, that's it. That's how you remove the wall mount, the stand for a Asus monitor. This is the VE248. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.